Right, traders. This is Shamsul Arifin from K5 Trading. Welcome to another update on BTC and Ethereum. In our last episode, we mentioned that we're looking for a particular pattern for market to give us the upside reversal, the signal or the confirmation. We did not get that confirmation, so we haven't had any entry and we didn't lose anything. Now, since the market didn't give us the confirmation for the upside, that means that market want to come down. And now we need to look the market from this point of view, whether market is ready for the reversal or not. So let us start with the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, as you can see, this week market, which is this week, which hasn't been closed yet, I'm expecting market to retest further. And that retest, price is about 17,700 or around that mark. So this is my round number where I'm looking for market to kind of bounce back if it's not going to break the previous low, which was on 13th of June. So this is what's on the weekly time frame. Since the weekly time frame, you can see this upthrust, and after the upthrust market come down. This week prices try to struggle to close above the previous week's low close, but so far it has failed, and we need to see when this chart and this week close on Sunday actually what's happened. So let's go to the weekly daily time frame now. On the daily time frame, market, what I can see here. This chart is a little bit hard to adjust all the time. Hang on. Okay, that's much better. So on the weekly time frame, daily time frame, you can see that's on 19th of September. We actually were excited with this kind of a spring, and we thought like market will actually move eventually and break the previous high. But in last 3 days, this did not happen. Market didn't break the previous high. In fact, market actually closed lower for last on 20 and 21st of September and break the previous low as well, which was formed on 19th of September. So that's give us a bearish indication for the market. And I'm still expecting market may hold around 17,500, which is our support from the 13th of June, I think. Yeah, 13th of June. That's our support from 13th of June, and I'm still expecting prices to hold this one. If prices break 17,500, then maybe we are looking for 1,500 as a round number, or maybe $12,000. So let's, 15,000, not the 1,500, my apology. And now let's have a look. So what we expect here now, if you move to the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking a kind of prices make some kind of pattern for me, which gave me a confirmation. So on the 4-hour time frame, that was I can move my previous low high from a little bit down, which is 19,000, around 19,900. And this is my upthrust. You can see on the 4-hour, I got this upthrust. Even I got this, but this upthrust did not actually break the previous high, which was on 17th of June. So I'm expecting that's the, you can see here, this is high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high. This is how the market is going. So market is still going lower highs, but the market failed to make lower lows. So here is a low, and this is another low. This is a kind of double bottom, you can call it, but we don't talk about the double bottom. What I can see, that prices will eventually break this low because here is the liquidity pool. People have a long position from here and from this point onward. So market will eventually come down and hit those stop losses. Okay, how we would anticipate this market to trade from here onward? First of all, we need to see if this market, by any chance, looking to move upside. I am looking for a reversal of at least 50% of this leg. My reversal is from this point leg high to this leg is around $18,800. This is where I'm looking, at least below this one, $18,800, and then I will try to see whether market want to move upside or not. If it's come down below the 18,800 and then reverse back and try to break the previous high, then I will be looking on a retracement for a long entry on this one. For the short trade, how should I trade? Short trade is very, very simple. So let me explain to you how I will play the short if I want to do the short on this market. We don't have much time, so I have to do a little bit quicker. Right, from here onward, that's moved down. That's the retracement, which is well above in the premium zone. So now what I'm looking prices to break this previous low, retest, and that's the point where I will be shorting this market, and my target will be then around $16,000 or $15,000. Okay, so that was the Bitcoin. Now let's have a look into the Ethereum. So we can just delete those. Okay, BTC. Ethereum is slightly better than BTC this time. The Bitcoin is about 0.75% in red, and the Ethereum is 59% in the green zone. So Ethereum is slightly better. Right, here is exactly the same thing what's happened in the Bitcoin. We are expecting this market from here onward to retest, break the previous low, retest, and that's our short entry. So my short entry will be here on the 4-hour time frame. This is, I just told you in a Bitcoin what Ethereum, what I'm expecting in a nutshell. I just give you a very quick overview on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, as you can see, market is it's not as bad as like we had in in the Bitcoin. The reason why is because it's very close to the almost close of the previous week's close. So market is trying to actually make a spring here somehow in this week. So the week is not finished yet, and also this week has not made the previous low. You can see that there is a significant distance between the low which was made on 13th of June and the low which is trying to made by right now. So even you can see the higher low, and then you can see this low is higher than this one. So I think the Ethereum is in a little bit better position for the long trade from the long trade setup than the Bitcoin. So if somebody want to trade in Ethereum, I think they have a little bit more volatility and a quicker up move side. Daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is a slightly better than Bitcoin because Bitcoin was coming down. But again, this is the key area. 1410 is my area which I like to see its breaks and retest this zone. Will it happen today or this week? Don't know. We will check. 4-hour time frame I already shown you. So that was my try to do a quick updates on Ethereum and the Bitcoin, but it took a little bit longer than what I was expecting. Anyway, enjoy the trading, and I will keep you posted with the new updates. Thanks for watching.